Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport is all new for 2024, featuring new styling inside and out, technology and a new powertrain. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport showcases a refreshed exterior design that exudes style and sophistication. The front end now features a redesigned grille, giving the SUV a more aggressive and commanding presence on the road. The headlights also have been updated, incorporating sleek LED technology for enhanced visibility and modern look. At the rear, Atlas Cross Sport receives new tail lights that seamlessly blend into the overall design. The subtle changes to the exterior give the SUV a more refined and contemporary appearance, making it stand out in its segment. Most of the changes to the Atlas Cross Sport occur in the cabin, with Volkswagen giving attention to creating a premium interior with more comfort features than before. Materials used inside have been chosen for an opulent feel, and the dashboard and center console are now leatherette trimmed and softer to touch. The dash panel treatment continues into the door trim and decor for a more high-end experience. Dash decor is backlit to help make the interior feel even more special. The top-end models come with leather seats that are quilted with a diamond pattern. The 5 seats in the Atlas Cross Sport are still spacious and comfortable, but the front passengers are now treated to heating and ventilation as standard. You can also have leather and a heated second row earlier in the range than before. Every Atlas Cross Sport is equipped with a configurable 10.3-inch digital display. It also is fitted out with 12-inch infotainment display. Unfortunately, Volkswagen's annoying touch-sensitive controls aren't as easy to use as a traditional knob or button. Other standard gizmos include 6 USB-C ports with fast charge capability, wireless charging, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport is available with 2 engine options. The base engine is a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, delivering 235 horsepower and providing a smooth and responsive driving experience. For those seeking more power, there is an available 3.6-liter V6 engine producing 276 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and optimal performance. The Atlas Cross Sport also offers available all-wheel drive, providing enhanced traction and stability in various driving conditions. The 2024 Volkswagen Atlas Cross Sport starts at $36,715 with front-wheel drive and $38,615 with all-wheel drive. The top model, the Atlas Cross Sport SEL Premium R-Line, begins at $51,445.